This is the unboxing assembly of the 12-inch long reach miter saw from RIDGID, the R4231. You'll start by unboxing the upper styrofoam container and removing the miter saw. In your box, it should include the RIDGID R4231, the T30 Torx blade wrench, a work clamp, dust bag, and a 2.5-inch dust port adapter. The RIDGID long reach miter saw is ready to go out of the box. Your blade is already installed and you're ready to work. Installing the dust port adapter. Install the dust port adapter and tighten the set screw using a Phillips head screwdriver. The dust port adapter goes over the rear exhaust port on the upper blade guard. For installation and removal of the blade, refer to the owner's manual. For more information on the R4231, visit our website and see our whole lineup of tools.